Today, I'll walk you through how to add a table of contents in Mailchimp, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create a structured email layout so you can enhance your reader's experience. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Mailchimp. This is where all the magic happens. If you don't have an account yet, it's easy to sign up. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Mailchimp updates its interface from time to time, but the steps remain consistent. Once you're logged in, head over to the email builder. Here, you'll want to add a text block to your email. This is where we'll insert our table of contents. Look for the option labeled Merge Tags. This is a powerful feature that allows you to personalize your emails. Now scroll down in the Merge Tags menu until you find the option for Table of Contents. Click on it. You won't see the table of contents in your editor, but rest assured, your recipients will see it when they open your email. This is a great way to help them navigate through longer emails easily. Once you've added the table of contents, you can customize it further by linking it to specific sections of your email. This will create a seamless experience for your readers, allowing them to jump to the content that interests them most. And that's it, you've successfully added a table of contents in Mailchimp. This small addition can significantly enhance the readability of your emails, making it easier for your audience to engage with your content. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.